Given the high priority of knowledge management as the key tool to accountability, there are several first-year goals that the Borough Instructional Technology Director should accomplish in this area. Goal 1. Identify principals and ARIS building coordinators, ABCs, and a method to communicate with them. Goal 2. Create and implement a plan to deliver ARIS PD to principals and ABCs at all schools in the borough. Goal 3. Participate in the ARIS Curriculum Committee that will create ARIS professional development. There are several tasks that are necessary to begin implementing these goals. Task 1. Borough Instructional Technology Directors will work with Central in a collaborative working session to develop the ARIS deployment strategy to target borough principals and ABCs to attend 4 ARIS training sessions which will occur across the school year 07-08. Task 2. The Borough Instructional Technology Directors will invite the principal and 1 ARIS building coordinator per school in each borough to receive professional development delivered by the Borough Instructional Technology Director's citywide staff developers. The ARIS professional development will consist of 4 classes to be delivered across the school year 07-08. Class 1 will consist of an overview of the protocols and procedures for the ARIS professional development implementation within each school. Participants will develop a deployment plan to deploy the ARIS professional development across their school over the school year 07-08. This class will also provide participants with training on setting up classes in an online registration system to track attendance at school-based ARIS training. Finally, they will receive an overview of the ARIS system. This class will be delivered to participants during the months of September and October. In Class 2, Create and Share, participants will learn to use knowledge management to create and share innovations with others, such as effective classroom management or useful performance assessment measures. This class will be delivered in the borough during the months of November and December and will be delivered within schools during the months of December and January. In Class 3, Search, participants will learn to search for resources to drive or supplement planning, or for resources to address a specific need, such as finding effective programming strategies that have worked for other principals, or an approach to reteaching proportion to struggling 5th graders. This class will be delivered in the borough during the months of January and February, and will be delivered within schools during the months of February and March. In Class 4, Connect and Collaborate, participants will learn to connect and collaborate with educators within a school or network and across the city. For example, they will learn to co-plan online with other teachers in their grade area, or perhaps teachers within the same core content area, such as literacy, science, social studies, or math, across the city. This class will be delivered within the borough during the months of March and April, and within the school during the months of April and May. Task 3. The Borough Instructional Technology Director will participate in the ARIS Curriculum Committee. The ARIS Curriculum Committee will consist of core content area curriculum leaders, Borough Instructional Technology Directors, our vendor partner IBM, and selected citywide staff developers. In the committee members will develop professional development for the professional development days that include Create and Share, Search, and Connect and Collaborate. They will also develop an online communication strategy to support the professional development to enable the ABCs and principals to discuss, collect, collaborate, and share. Task 4, will be for the Borough Instructional Technology Director to coordinate the delivery of the ARIS professional development to principals and ARIS building coordinators throughout their borough. Following the implementation of these tasks, the Borough Instructional Technology Director will be well on their way to accomplishing their 3 goals of identifying principals and ARIS building coordinators and a method to communicate with them, creating and implementing a plan to deliver the ARIS professional development to principals and ARIS building coordinators at all schools in their borough, and participating in the ARIS Curriculum Committee that will create ARIS professional development.